my name is Lucy Polkowski, and here's the first episode of my new cooking show. So, I'm going to be making a chicken skillet thing that we came up with one day, just with using items that we had. So,
and it's very delicious.
The first thing, so what you're going to need is we have some olive oil.
From Kirkland. That is a
Costco.
Yes.
Costco. We have some Great Northern beans.
White beans.
We have some sliced olives. Capers.
Capers are very delicious.
Garlic. Minced garlic.
Very important.
We have some fire roasted tomatoes. Nice. We have 2 chicken breasts cut into cubes, just ready to go. Are you still filming?
Mm-hmm.
We have a pan. We have some artichokes cut up and 1 onion diced. So the first step in this recipe is to cook your onion. So what you'll need to do is turn your stove on.
And what heat should we put it to, Lucy?
I put it to a 7.
So put it to a 7.
Just put some oil in your pan. I'm eyeballing this. Just put some oil in your pan. You should be fine. And wait till your oil gets heated up. And a trick for me, when I know my oil is hot, is when I can, normally oil is a little denser and thicker than water, when I can pour the oil on my pan and it spreads around like water. So right now my oil is still a little hot, so we're going where?
Lucy, stop eating the olives.
I'm stopping. Yeah.
Alright, and right now I'm going to have a chocolate covered peanut. Help myself. Okay. Should we do a big one?
So now, my oil is nice and hot, so I'm going to toss my onions up on in there.
So this is just one,
This is 1 yellow onion diced.
super simple.
It's simple, easy, awesome. So I'm just trying to caramelize these onions. Oh, I don't like the smell of onions. It makes me feel weird. This is Candle's black pepper coconut. It always helps me.
You realize I'm going to show this to Mom and Dad, right?
Yeah. Oh, it smells so much better now.
Alright, so what next do we add?
I'm still actually waiting for my onions to become translucent. Yeah, translucent. So you can kind of see through them. Don't want them to be entirely transparent. You know, a little bit. I'm only saying all these slogans.
Frank, shh.